The next thing is how we access a web page. How we access a web page. අපි web page එකක් access කරන්නේ කොහොමද? How we access the web page. Basically, what we do, so we have different items like this. I would like to tell this, these are web browsers or web clients. Web clients or web browsers. What is this? The orange color one? Orange and blue one?
Firefox.
Okay, Mozilla Firefox.
This one?
Google Chrome.
Google Chrome. This is?
Explorer.
Explorer. This is this compass kind of thing. What is that?
I don't know.
That is called Apple Safari. Apple uses this browser, web browser, that is called Safari. Apple Safari. Okay. Anyway, using this web browser software, we are accessing web servers. So web server is the computer. It's like a supercomputer and all. It's a big computer which can provide simultaneous service, and it is connected to internet. We also connected to the internet. Through internet, we are going to access this web server. Through internet, we are going to access this web server, and this is how we access the web service. Basically, after going to a site, so here this one also, when we access a website, we request it. Let's say google.com. This is called request. When we request, server responds us. So let's say we go and request like, okay, I need yahoo.com. This is called request. When you type and ask, that is request. When I type and ask, the server, web server, it will take some time to process the request, and then it will generate the response and send it to us. So this is called response, request and response. So that is happening in between us and web server. We do the request through our browser, and web server send the response, and it will be loaded to our browser, and browser will show the page. So can anyone tell the difference between browser and search engine? What's the difference between browser and search engine? Browser එකකයි search engine එකයි වෙනස මොකක්ද? What's the difference? Yes? Okay. So browser, this Firefox is a browser. This is Firefox. It's a browser. Google Chrome, it's a browser. So here, this is Safari. Safari is also a browser, right? So Opera, this one, it's also a browser. Web browser is a software which is used to access. So let me write down here. Web browser software which is used to access web service. Search engine. It's a special website used to search other web resources. It's special software which is used to search other web pages and resources. That is search engine. Web browser, example, Opera, Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, or Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox, Internet, Explorer, Edge. These are examples for web browser. Search engines. Search engines, google.com, answers.com, duckgo.com. These are called search engines.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, gov.lk.
gov.lk.
Yes, so that the website of the education department.
Gov.lk. Gov.lk is a website basically. It's not a search engine, and it's not right. It's not a search engine. It's just a website, right? You can just go this and access government services. That's all. But it is not search engine.
Okay.
Basically, it's a website listing all the government services. So it is not developed up to a search engine because it can only locate the government services. It's not to connect everything. This basically search engines, it's connect to the internet. Everything is linked. Everything is connected. So it can globally access that. But gov.lk, you can access local information, not globally. Okay. So you can write down this. So these are the examples for search engines and web browsers. Answers.com is a special search engine which is used to ask questions. You can go and ask questions from. And DuckDuckGo is we call anonymous search engine. Basically, when you go to Google and search, it will remember the search. But if you go to DuckDuckGo and search, it will not remember the search. It respects the privacy. මෙයා මතක තියාගන්න search කරපු එක මෙයා මතක තියාගන්න. මෙයාගේ තියෙන ප්‍රශ්න එයා questions ගිහිල්ලා අහන්න පුළුවන් එයාගෙන්. කෙලින්ම answers.com එකට ගිහලා questions අහන්න පුළුවන්. Right, okay. Now let's move to the today's task. Hopefully you have.
Wait, sir.
Okay. I'll wait for 1 minute. Okay. Let's move to the today's task, and actually we are going to create a web page today. So web designing is actually coming in your last topic. The other web designing කතා කරන්න යනවා කියලා මම designing part එකක් කරන්නේ නැහැ. I'm not going to discuss the designing part because it's not it's your last lesson. So anyway, you had web designing in grade 6. Not web designing, actually you have internet email in grade 6. Therefore, today I'm going to create a small website which is personalized to you. So you can send me the URL after creating that, then we can see how it's going on. And next week you have small assignment. That assignment is you have to write an article in your website. Then you can write about anything. If you have a hobby, you can write about that. Or if you like to write about a place like a Sigiri or some other place, maybe your village, you can write about that. Or if you like to write about yourself or your pet, you can still write about that. So by next week, I need your creations. Okay, let's so if you are using a mobile phone, you can still do this with me. Mobile phone එකක් පාවිච්චි කරනවා නම් ඒත් කරන්න පුළුවන්. And if you are using a computer or laptop, that is better. ගොඩක් හොඳයි computer එකක් හරි laptop එකක් හරි තියෙනවා නම් then you can do it then also you can do this with me. Okay. So I'm going to access the site called okay, this one. So I couldn't mention about this. Actually, we basically learn only 4%. So we basically use only 4% of the web. That is called surface web. Right? This web is a big service, but we are going to use only this portion, only the surface part. This is like ice cube glacier. Not ice cube, it's a glacier. In this glacier, the visible area is only 4%. Visible area is only 4%. Then 96% of this glacier is hidden inside the sea. So some areas you can legally go and access. This is scientific records, government resources, academic information, financial records. Legally you can go and access, but it is not public. It's not public. But anyway, if you have any research need, you can go and access. And this dark web, this is the portion, this is illegal. You cannot go and access this portion of cannot go and access this portion of web. That is illegal. But
So
still,
that means DuckDuckGo is illegal.
which
This
no, no. DuckDuckGo is not illegal. DuckDuckGo is not illegal. Only thing is, people in the dark web mostly use DuckDuckGo because they want to stay anonymous. They have mentioned DuckDuckGo here, but it is not illegal. Don't worry. So DuckDuckGo you can use in Surface Web also. Right? But mainly these bad people, those are the people who basically want to be anonymous, and they are using DuckDuckGo here. But that doesn't mean you cannot use it in Surface Web. You can use it in Surface Web as well. Okay. So this is some technical part. Technically ඔයාලා මතක තියාගන්න අපි 104ක් විතර තමයි අපි access කරන්නේ web වල. ඉතුරු ඔක්කොම මේ විශේෂ scientific researches වලට government information ඒ වගේ ගොඩ දේවල් තියෙනවා මේක ඇතුලේ. ඒ වගේම තවත් පල්ලහැටම ගියාම illegal area එකකුත් තියෙනවා. අර මේ මොකක්ද අපි පාතාලේ කියන්නේ. ඒ වගේ web එකක්වත් යටටම ගියාම පාතාලයක් වගේ එකක් තියෙනවා. So that is illegal basically. Okay, then let me go and show you the steps how to create your blog. So go to Google and search blogger. Blogger කියන එක search කරන්න Google එකට ගිහිල්ලා. Then you will get this website blogger.com. Okay, go to blogger.com. Go to this site there, blogger.com. So blogging is one of the most famous hobbies in some other countries. So even school students, they used to write a blog. Blog is like a public diary. Everyone can come and watch this. So be careful. Don't write personal things or private things. This is like a public diary. So this diary can be read by anyone in the internet. Okay, then you can go to this sign in button. You can click in sign in button. Blogger.com එකට ගියාම then you have sign in. In this sign in, when you select sign in select කරාම එයා අහනවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ Gmail account එක මොකක්ද කියලා. It will ask your Gmail account. Right, you can select your Gmail account. Then I'm going to select this one. Okay, it's asking me to create a blog name. Choose a name for your blog. I'm telling it's okay, Dasun's blog. Similar to that, you can also give a name.
Sir,
Yes.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
When I click sign in button, I came to that those accounts. Then I choose an account, and it again came to the website.
It again came to the website. That means you are not actually you have not logged into the particular Gmail. Why log එකෙන් Gmail එකෙන් log out වෙලා ඇති. එතකොට තමයි එහෙම වෙන්නේ.
So now it is okay.
Now it is okay. Right, okay. Then no issue. So basically it happens when you are not logged into the particular Gmail. Okay, try this again. Anyway, you will get this. Then write down in the title, you can write down, okay, for an example. So Danoli is here. Danoli can write Danoli's blog. Danoli's blog. Hasarali is here. She can write Hasarali's blog. Likewise, give a name. Give a name. Okay. Then go to next. Then go to next. It will ask about address. Remember that this address should be unique. You cannot add spaces to this address. Spaces දාන්න බෑ, unique වෙන්න ඕන. For an example, I'm using here Dasun Nilanjana, my full name. So if this says this block address is available, that's good. Okay, Dasun Nilanjana. Or I can use my surname, Dasun Sirimevan .blogspot.com. So you can use your full name. You can try with your first name. Most probably it's not available. You can try with your first name. Then it will give an error. It's not available. But I think this one, Hasarali, you can try with your name sometimes. Yes, no, it's also taken. It's also taken. Some names are unique, so you can try with those names. But still, this is taken. So let's try this soon. Okay, then give the name. .blogspot.com. No spaces. Okay, remember that no spaces. You can't keep spaces. Spaces daan epa nam deka kare. Okay, then go to next. Then it's asking display name. In display name, I'll give my name again, but with spaces. I'll give it with spaces. Display name, that is name to be displayed. Okay, then finish. Okay, now you can send it to me. Now you can send it to me via chat or WhatsApp. You can send it to me, right? So you can see your blog address. You can type your blog address. So what අරක මතක තියාගත්තා නම් හරි. එතකොට ඔයාලට එක type කරන්න පුළුවන්. For an example, my one is Dasun Sirimevan.blogspot.com. So ඔයාලගේ දුන්න නම අනුව එකයි ඔයාගේ නම .blogspot.com. Spaces network. Press enter and you can access that. Here you can see Dasun's blog. And you can see Dasun Nilanjana Sirimevan. ඒක ගන්නත් පුළුවන් මෙතනින්. මෙතන පල්ලහැට ගියාම ඔයාලට පෙන්නයි මේ තියෙන view blog කියලා. මේ view blog කියන එක click කරාම when you click this view blog you can still see this one. Okay, go to this and we go to view blog, then you can see this one. Please send this to me, then I can check whether you have done it correctly and you have created your blog. Just copy this and send it to chat section, chat taking one. So I have sent my one to everyone. You can also give your one to me, and others can also see, because this is a public diary. Anyone can access and see this, but everyone, that means anyone cannot edit this. Only you can edit. Others can see. Others can read. කවුද කරේ තව? අනිත් අය තාම කරේ නැද්ද? Others, please send.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
What should we send through the blogspot?
Sorry.
What should we send through the blogspot?
No, you should send it to the chat section. Chat එකෙන් එවන්න ඕන. මේකේ මේ Zoom වල chat එකේ තියෙන්නේ. ඒකෙන් එවන්න ඕන මෙන්න මේකේ address එක. Address එක කියන්නේ ඔයා type කරපු එක. අර මගේ නම් dasunSirimevan.blogspot.com. ඔයාලගෙත් එහෙම එකක් ඔයාලා දුන්නනේ. username එකක්, URL එකක්. I need that URL. So for an example, if you are, okay, let's say අපි හිතමු දහම්සා නම් දහම්සා ගොඩක් වෙලාවට හදන්න නැත්තේ dahamsa.gunasekara.blogspot.com. I don't know. No, Tinura has sent wrong one. ඒක නෙවෙයි Tinura. Tinura දාන්න නැති මොකක් හරි මේවා post එකේ වල තියෙන්නේ. ඒක නෙවෙයි ඕන. මේ blog එකේ යටට ගියාම මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙනවා visit blog කියලා. පේනවද? visit blog. නේ තියෙන්නේ. මේකේ යටම තියෙනවා visit blog. ඒ visit blog කියන එකට යන්න. ඒක click කරන්න. එතකොට මෙතන load වෙනවා එක. අන්න ඒක තමයි වන්න ඕන. visit blog කියන එකට ගියාම මෙතන load වෙනවා. අන්න ඒක තමයි වන්න ඕන. Copy that and send it to me. හරිද? Right, Tinura. Okay. tinurabasic.blogspot.com. I think it's correct. Tinura balamu. එවල තියෙන එක. හරි. Tinura එවල තියෙන එක හරි. දැන් හරි. Others? Shamin, SMB Dudangwala. Sorry. Yeah, .blogspot.com. Blog not found කියලා කියනවනේ. www එකකුත් දුන්නද? බලමු. Shamin, it seems. නෑ. මොකක් කරේ අවුලක් තියෙනවා Shamin. ඒක නැහැ කියලා කියනවා.
Sir, a window says that confirm your display name.
Okay, confirm your display name then. Type your display name, give your name with spaces and confirm that. I think you have not finished the task yet. That's why.
Sir, in the first one, I wrote that Shamin's blog is the same.
No.
Does the
Second one is the URL. URL කියලා එකක් ආවේ. අන්න ඒකෙදි දුන්න එක තමයි ඕන. මේක හදද්දි වාට එන්නේ නැති URL කියලා එකක්. මතක නේද?
Sir, firstly,
මෙන්න මේ display name එකටත් කලින්. display name එකටත් කලින් ඒක ආවේ URL කියන එක. මම sign in ගියා. I can go from the first one, but the thing is, again, the problem is that I have already created one. So I can't repeat the process now because I have already done. Anyway, I'm trying it again. Let me create. Let me click on this one. It will automatically go for this one because I have already created this.
then choose a name for your blog. Then I can type a name.
Okay. නැත්තම් ඔයාලා මෙතනට යන්නකෝ. So please go to this one. Go to blogger.com. Okay, go back to blogger.com. If you missed any step, go back to blogger.com. After going to blogger.com, it will ask you to sign in. Select sign into. Then can you see this screen? Can you see this screen? Not yet. Something similar to my screen. Can you see? මගේ screen එක වගේ එකක් පෙන්නනවද ඔයාලට?
Wait, sir. No, sir. It says choose an account.
Then choose account. I think your one is not chosen. Yes, yet. Choose account then. Okay, Danu has...
my one to the chat.
Yeah, Danoli, I got your one. It's correct. I can see your one. Correct. Only thing is you can keep some spaces here. And metanona spaces දාගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. Tinura's one is okay. Danuli's one is okay. Others. This is Ravihara's one from Red, that's single medium class. So okay, if you miss the step, go back, go to blogger.com. You have to do this anyway. After මේක දැන් ඔයාලට කරන්න සතියක් තියෙනවා. හරි ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ syllabus එකේ තියෙන දෙයක් නෙවෙයි. So don't worry, don't be afraid, don't think that so I missed that how I can join the class now. So seems I cannot understand the class, I should avoid the class. Likewise, you might think various things. එහෙම හිතන්න එපා. This is something extra. මේක මම extra දෙයක් දීලා තියෙන්නේ. You have 1 week of time to do this. සතියක් තියෙනවා මේක කරන්න. So if you feel this activity difficult, if you feel any issue, if you have any issue, you have 1 week of time to contact me. I can help you create this account and create your blog. Okay, don't worry, I can help you. So only thing is you have to do is go to Google, search blogger. After that, go to blogger.com. After going to blogger.com, go here, you can see sign in button. Click on sign in and select an account. Click on sign in, select an account. Then give the name, then give the URL, then give the display name, and you can create that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me.
මම ෆෝන් එකෙන් කරේ ඒකේ ඇඩ්‍රස් එක
ෆෝන් එකෙන් ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔයා මේ මෙතනට යනකොට view blog යනකොට so when you go to view blog click on view blog ගියාම view blog ගියාද? view blog ගියාම එහෙම එකක් පෙන්නනවා. Can you see?
සර් ඒක එවන්න
එවන විදිය තමයි ප්‍රශ්නේ. Okay, tell me the name, then I can type. Just tell me the name that you have given.
vitanage.blogspot.com.
vitanage.blogspot.com. Was it available? Vitanage.
Sir, now
No, this
it's,
is not your one. This is not your one. vitanage.blogspot.com. I get this one. Hopefully, this is not your one. Is this your one? No, it's someone else. Your one?
My father's
Your
email
father's
account.
one. You have to create now. Okay. That's right. Okay, fine. Then others.
sir, now I got my one.
You got your one, right? Okay, good. So others also try. Others also try this very important activity. The Hamsa, then Devdisi. I think you joined today, but anyway, try this. This is very important. කරන්න බැරි වුණොත් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මට WhatsApp එකක් එවන්න. මට WhatsApp වලින් message එකක් එවන්න. So then I can help you. Then I can help you create this. Then what you have to do is, okay. Then what you have to do is make හැදුවට පස්සේ go to new post. You can click on new post. It's like MS Word. Let's say my village.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, how can I copy the
URL.
Yeah.
Here, when you click on your browser URL, you have something called edit. When you click, there's something called edit. Go to edit and then copy. That's how you are doing it in mobile. Okay, anyway.
Oh, sir, laptop.
Laptop. Laptop, you can just go and go to the URL, select this, Control C. Control C to copy. Control C to copy, Control V to paste.
So can we upload the file from computer?
Yeah, you can upload anything. That's what I'm telling now. So go to new post. Go to new post. Here, click the new post, then you will get new post. Here you can write anything. Let's say my village or my city, my village. Then write something about your village. Maybe you can write anything. Or you can write about my pet. You can write about my country. Or place I have visited. My hobbies. Whatever. You can write anything. And here you can attach images. You can insert videos. Insert this paragraph alignment, bold and all. Let's say this is testing. In this testing, I'm going to select this and bold this. And I'm going to change the font color to green. Okay. Then let me center this. Let me center line this. And let me increase the font size to large. And publish then. After doing that, you can publish. When you publish, this article will be there in your blog. When you publish, you can go to the same one. Dasun Sirimevan.blogspot.com. Then you can see the new article that I have published. That is my village, and this is testing. You can see that. So similar to that, try to change or try to add article about you or your village or your hobbies, whatever you prefer. Right? Okay, I got some new Kavin. Yes, I got Kavin's one. Shamin's one also I got. Yeah, this is Shamin's one. Good. Then Devdisi. Everyone has done this. Good. Then Kavin. Good. What you have to do is you have to add articles. So now you can give this to your friends as well. You can send this to your school friends saying that I have a website. And this is available. This is 24 hours available one. Anytime you can upload, maybe you can upload your picture, you can upload lessons, you can upload a note, you can write article, you can write about news. Okay, blogging is one hobby in some countries. You can also practice this. It's very important because you can improve your IT skills. You can improve your IT skills. Meanwhile, you can share your views and ideas. If you're writing poems, I saw some people have hobbies like writing poems, playing music. You can video and upload it, or you can write articles and upload. You can upload your creation to that.
Sir, how can I found my post ID?
Post ID means
Post URL?
a post URL. Post URL means you have to go to the blogger.com and sign in. When you sign in, you can it will automatically give you this one. And when you sign in, it will automatically give you this. Then you can go to new post and add a post. New post වලට ගිහලා post එකක් add කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේ තියෙන new post ගිහලා ඕන තරම් post add කරන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම add කරලා ඉවර වෙලා view කරන්න මෙන්න මෙතන ඇහක් තියෙන්නේ මේ. There's something called view. There's a eye icon. You can click on eye icon and view that. You can click on eye icon and view that. Okay, then.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
To address, what should we type?
Which one?
To address, what should we type?
This one, blog address.
Yes, sir.
You have to type your full name.
Sir, I send my post.
Yes, I saw your thoughts about Arduino Bluetooth car. Right? Okay, that's great. So you can share your articles and all. Right. Anyway, if you have anything.
Sir, do we need to keep space?
In URL, no. URL don't keep spaces. You have to give.
Sir, upload a video from YouTube.
Oh, is that so? URL, you have to give it. Yeah, I can see that. For URL, you have to give it continuously without any spaces, right?
Sir, to address?
To address, which one? I'm not really getting you. To address means?
They are asking choose a URL for your blog. Then,
yeah. In that you have to use you use your full name without spaces. That is the easiest way. Use your full name without spaces. Okay, with that I'm going to stop for today because it took some more time. When we are doing practicals, it's always like that. It's okay. So if you have questions, you can just call and ask or send me a WhatsApp message. I'll respond to that. Okay then.
Excuse me, sir, to display name?
Display name, you can give your full name with spaces. Display name, you can give the full name with spaces. Right. Okay, let's stop for today. You have many problems. Okay.
Sir?
Yes, you can tell.